we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing how I have organized Anshuman's wardrobe, and here are few of my tips. Always organize based on a personality, especially wardrobe, which is a space that you'll be using every day. So that has to be based on the person's need. My first tip is use smart hangers. Though I really love the aesthetic sense of wooden hangers, but they are extremely space consuming. I found these really slim hangers which you might have seen in my own wardrobe, and they have a velvet coating on top which becomes an anti-slip. They are pretty sturdy as well, and in one hanger I am able to hang 2 pants, which again saves a lot of space. Use your vertical space smartly. Here I have added these 2 vertical organizer, and this gives me ample space to organize all his t-shirts, his very less used jackets, his everyday used towels. And on the other side there are his less frequently used shorts, jeans, couple of shorts that he uses on his day-to-day basis. If you're struggling with small space like me, don't forget to use the doors. Doors come really handy, and I have used these stick-on hooks that you might have seen me using in my bathroom makeovers. They are pretty sturdy. Here I have used them to hang his caps and belts. Here I hang all his cloth mask and N95 mask. Use baskets. Well, in the world of organizing, baskets comes as the first friend of yours. I have used these plastic baskets and used a file fold method to organize and segregate different less used items. Like in this box, I have used all his documents that he might be using frequently, off and on basis. This organizer comes handy to organize all the checkbook, passbook, all little knickknacks. There is this diary for his travel purposes or his important meetings. And these are all our document holders, which is what we use to keep all our documents. They stay organized and well put. This is how I organize all his kurtas, and this is the kurtas that he has been having since we got married. He has never added any other kurtas. Few of them are gifts from our parents, not much. This is his gym shorts and swimming shorts. And few days back he had a very bad back pain. For that he used this belt. Though he is cured, but still I keep it really handy. And at the back we have all our certificate files. This is easy to access, but it stays away from the main area. I have used this shirt organizer to organize all his shirts and pants. Now all his shirts and pants are swapped every 2 weeks, and this creates a little bit of change in his wardrobe, without crowding the top portion of the wardrobe. I am not able to take it out this way. I take out entire bunch of the shirts. I don't know how people do it. I am just unable to do that ways. Here are a couple of his suits which currently he is not using. Be creative. Now let me show you what's behind this. Now there was quite an amount of space and random things that was to be stored. I have used this cookies box to store all his ties which he was using in his earlier job. Now he needs his ties and suits very less frequently, so they are kept behind but still they are accessible. This is his tuxedo bow tie and couple of pocket squares. I have kept them in this box. Now this system should be so convenient that it is super easy to put it back. Like taking those 3 boxes and putting all the things back in place literally took me 2 to 3 minutes. Only then you'll be able to keep up to the organized space. Like here, I have kept all his visiting cards that he receives, and after a month or so, we sit down and declutter the space. If you have watched till here, do consider subscribing to the channel and like this video. Leave me a comment if this type of system has given you any idea. My next tip is divide the drawers. I am using these drawer organizers to organize all his socks and his innerwears. I like to fold the shorts like this so that it does not get lost. Men these days have different socks for different type of shoes, so I have separated it in different categories. Similarly, all his sports socks are right behind. He is not using them currently. This is the brush he uses for his coats and suits, and it snug fits on this side of the drawer. Make home for homeless. This is my most favorite tip of all, because often our organizing systems fail because we do not make space for homeless things. Like all random things, like his hoodie, it does not know where to belong. His tracksuits, his glasses, cufflinks, little random things which does not have one specific spot. Giving them a space to keep it will keep all these random things easy to access and put it back again. Like these visitor cards that he has from yesterday are tucked in here. Once I feel that okay, now I have time, I'll put it back in the organizer that I showed you few minutes back. Make space for frequently used items. Like Anshuman travels a lot, so he has different trolleys for different amount of days he travels. So if he's traveling overnight, there is a small little suitcase. If he's traveling for a day or so, he will carry this one. Plus, he also likes to carry all his toiletries in this bag, and this is when he's traveling for a week or so. This pouch has all his dry cleaning and pressing clothes. Extra hangers gets tucked in on this little side, and there is a raincoat for him for all the Mumbai rains. I always encroach in his space, and I just feel that I have all the rights to do that. Just like this, the loft is attached in the same door, but I have kept all the quills and less used suitcase, and at the bottom it's entirely my territory. This drawer I have occupied for all my footwear. So here is the final look. I hope you got some ideas. Do let me know which one was your favorite idea or tip. I would love to read all your comments and I reply them all by myself. So do leave me a comment in case you have watched till here. And thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me. I have a target to achieve for this month. Please help me achieve that. And again, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye-bye.